How to download and install apps on Google Chrome on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, that is Google Chrome. Click on the search bar at top of your screen and type in any particular app that you want to download from Google Chrome. Suppose WhatsApp. You can visit the official site of the app. So let's type in whatsapp.com. Press enter on your keyboard. So if the app is downloadable, there you will see the download button. Click on download and then the exe file will get started to download. Once it is done, you can store in folder. Now you can easily install WhatsApp by double clicking on it, and here you can easily check the system requirements. So wait until the download has been completed. And as you can see that we have simply installed WhatsApp. Now you can click on get started and then set up WhatsApp on your computer. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.